Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Here's a full look at your weather forecast. Get ready for a winter wonderland over the next couple of days. We already starting to see snowfall, more colder air. It's going to settle in by tomorrow morning, and we'll have highs in the teens by Sunday. So it's definitely going to be pretty cold out there in the next couple of days. But things get a little better by Christmas Day. We'll talk about how things are going to be looking for then. But despite the conditions, we aren't seeing any terrible conditions in our region. Most of the winter weather advisory is going to be west of the viewing area. They can expect 46 inches of snowfall, and that's going to be through 6 a.m. Saturday morning. Looking at the next couple of days, though, we will see colder air around the area. Temperatures in the teens and 20s tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see even more colder air by Sunday, a high of 13 degrees here in Utica. We're going to start the day maybe in the single digits or even some negatives by early Sunday morning. Looking at those temperatures currently, though, pretty cold across the region. Everybody's hanging out at least below freezing as we speak. A little warmer near New York, 38 degrees there, but overall a very cold air mass is in the area, and we are going to see more cold air getting into the area by the weekend. And you see the main system is still back off towards the west there. You see we have some southerly circulation with that. It will continue to push over towards the east and clear out over the next couple of days. And we will see things drying out by Sunday into Monday, but we definitely will have cold air in the area. By Christmas Eve, we'll have a bump in rainfall chance of right around 50% chance on Christmas Eve, and we'll see things kind of quiet down by the end of next week. But overall, we are going to start to see the temperatures improve by next week. Looking at a frontal system really moving in tomorrow morning, we'll see cooler conditions drop throughout the day into Sunday morning. A high of only 13 degrees on Sunday, and we'll try to rebound as we get into next week. Temperature still right around freezing on Christmas Day, but we'll be closer toward normal high. And then we'll see temperatures getting to the above average zone as we head into next weekend. We'll have highs closer to 10 degrees above normal by the following Monday. So the conditions will improve and rebound nicely, but we got a couple of days that won't be so pleasant by the next few days. Looking at tomorrow, we'll have temperatures around 19 degrees in the morning, and we'll be at 19 degrees in the afternoon. So really not much changing in the temperatures tomorrow. We'll have cloudy conditions sticking around for most of the day. Sunday will clear up a little bit, but we'll have a morning low of 2 here in Utica, and the best believe we'll have temperatures in the negatives to start the day up in near Indian Lake area. In the forecast for Sunday afternoon, we'll have sunny skies, but it's going to be a 13-degree day for us on Sunday. And looking at the snowfall forecast, we'll see a little bit of lighter amounts as we head into the weekend, more half an inch here in Utica. Still another 2.5 inches out towards the west and about an inch up towards the northern part of the viewing area. Lows for tonight to get down to about 10, 11 degrees off towards the north, 17 here in Utica and the surrounding areas. And for Saturday, not much warmer. We'll all be in the teens and even colder on Sunday morning, lows by Monday morning around 0. And then we'll see conditions improve as we head into Christmas Day and the end of next week. Y'all stay safe and bundle up.
Thank you, Darius. Coming up next on...
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's take a full look at your weather forecast. Get ready for a very cold air on the way. We're going to see temperatures in the single digits by early Sunday morning, and we might get to about 13 degrees for a high. And definitely already have the snow in the forecast, so really looking at a winter wonderland starting to set up across the region. Looking at the winter storm alerts, we have a winter weather advisory out west through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and they can expect about 4 to 6 inches of snowfall out towards that part of the state. But here we're not going to see as bad conditions or impacts in our area. Next couple of days, though, we're just going to see colder air really start to settle in by early Sunday morning, expecting a morning low of 2 degrees here in Utica, afternoon high by Sunday afternoon around 13 degrees. So definitely bundle up, and rather you just stay inside and avoid the cold altogether. It's not going to be a pleasant day to be outside. Looking at those temperatures, currently 28 here in Utica and 18 up into Potsdam there. And we are going to see temperatures continue to gradually cool by tomorrow morning, but not by much. Looking at the satellite and radar star, and still seeing a few flurries just to the south of Utica here and over towards Syracuse, and also a few showers just to the south of Albany there. But overall, we're looking at a lot of activity still in the northeastern part of the area and into the New England states as well. And that would eventually shift over towards the Canadian region by tomorrow afternoon in the evening hours. Looking at precipitation chances, we'll see maybe some isolated snow flurries by tomorrow morning, but that should really clear out as the day progresses. And we'll see quiet conditions Sunday and Monday until we get to Christmas Eve. We'll have a little bit chance of rain on that day, and then we'll see things really quieting back down for Christmas Day, and maybe an isolated chance of showers on Thursday and the Friday. But overall, after we get through with this cold snap through the weekend, we're going to see temperatures try to rebound, still in the 20s and below freezing all the way to about Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. We'll have a high of 32 degrees, but that's kind of where we want to be. Our normal high is 33, so we are going to be right where we want to be for Christmas Day, and we'll see temperatures continuing to improve, getting back into the lower 40s by the following week. So we will actually have some relief coming fairly soon, but we got to get through the next 48 hours before then. Looking at overnight tonight, mainly looking at cloudy conditions around the region. That's going to prohibit those temperatures from cooling down that much more, but we are going to see not much improvement for those temperatures tomorrow afternoon. We'll start the day at 19 and finish the afternoon highs around 19, and then we'll see really that cold air mass settle in by Sunday morning, getting down to about 2 degrees here in Utica. We are expecting the lows in the negatives from Watertown over to Indian Lake, so beware. We definitely are going to have some bitterly cold mornings ahead. By Sunday afternoon, we'll have highs in the teens, and we'll have sunny conditions, but that's not really going to help the temperatures very much. Snowfall forecast through the next couple of days. We'll see maybe closer to an inch up towards the Otter Lake area, and we'll have maybe another ½ inch here near Utica. Lows tonight, 10 degrees up in the northern part of the viewing area, 17 degrees here in Utica. Winds will be around 10 miles an hour, picking up a little bit tomorrow afternoon. It really won't warm up much as well, with highs around 20 degrees here. But we will get better. We'll see conditions improve by Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. We'll see temperatures back into the 30s, and we will continue to warm through next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Darius.